Hello, my name is Samantha and I work with a team of dedicated midwives who form the Domino midwifery team here in St Luke's General Hospital, Kilkenny. We as a team of midwives provide continuity of care for low-risk women who choose to avail of this service. Our ethos is to encourage, educate and support birth normality while caring for you and your baby during your pregnancy and your birth. We endeavour to do this by promoting normal physiological birth through shared decision making and informed choice. We really want to help empower you through your pregnancy and birth journey to facilitate a positive birth experience. We also enjoy meeting dads-to-be and birth partners also, and encourage them to attend the antenatal appointments with you. We provide routine antenatal care in our clinics, which are held every Wednesday in the Sacred Heart Hospital in Carlow and every Friday in the antenatal outpatients department here in St Luke's Hospital. Women who choose our service continue to have shared care with their GPs. We aim to facilitate an early discharge home from hospital, and our team will continue to care for you in the postnatal period, providing support and advice in the comfort of your own home for up to 1 week following the birth of your baby. This postnatal service is available to anyone living in the area of Carlow and Kilkenny. We take direct bookings to the Domino service by email at community.midwifery@hsc.ie. Or you can ask your GP to send in a referral to us directly. Or when you attend your booking clinic in the hospital, you can ask to be referred to our service. We wish you a happy and positive pregnancy and birth journey.